Get a nice Xtrfy keycap puller. Bit of a weird position for it, but these obviously come pre-boxed. Can't really see this, but thank you for choosing the Xtrfy K5. Get your own browns. Green cable. Retro set, that's the one you get standard, I think. So I've got default stabilizers and stuff. Can't actually get to it. This was Glorious's white one, which is a bit thicker. The coil, it's a bit thinner, the coil. This has got a bit more of an aggressive, like, protective layer. This is a bit more like catchy. My cats would probably snag this, whereas he won't snag my white one. It's fairly rigid. Micro bit of flex maybe. Oh, careful with the cable. Taking a look at this one at the minute. That's what the PCB looks like. Bit better. That's what it looks like. Connector. It's like, I don't know what it is, like polyurethane maybe? The base looks like. Doesn't like focus on this transparent case. Like a texture on the back of this. There's also a bit of foam between the PCB and the front plate. So we'll see if we can take it out. So let's have a look at that as well, I think. Let's go. Quick cup of tea first. 4 screws actually. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go, better look at the stabs. Definitely lubed. I've got it's lubed on the stabilizer bar. But yeah, that space bar looks a bit uneven. These look a bit drier. Back look at the stab maybe. Focus. Bit of foam. better than the Glorious one. It's a bit less sticky, but LED. Shame they didn't make a translucent panel for the top here to make it a bit better with the all the transparent parts I've got. It's got a bit of a white front, so could go like a polycarbonate one maybe, isn't it? Yep, back together. I guess what we can try is the idea is to try like a Cherry MX Blue. Preferably not with a bent pin. A linear cherry. I don't know what the black. What's that one? Black cherry, but black on black. Don't know. It feels like the switches have got to be installed upside down. This feels a bit weird. Like the name is the other way around, but you know. A box one, which is that YUSYA. We'll try them similar spot. This is a Greetech. And we'll go Gateron Blue, I think. Although I'm not sure what the difference is between the one with the black shell or not. Gateron Black Pure. Try and match them out. I need to buy like one of each switch, I think. Or a few of each switch. You can feel the typing Experion Greetech. Let's say its name, that's that one. We'll try brown now. So we got the Gateron Brown, which is what we're going to put in it. Like the Greetech. Whatever this one is. It's Cherry's equivalent, but it's white, so probably not quite the same. But we'll use it anyway. It's linear with a bump, silent with a bump. So all the Gateron. Greetech. And then that Y, I can't pronounce it, YUSYA. Feels a bit dead there. Brown and cherry. The cherry bumps for you a bit too much for me. Do we? If we lube them, we'll make them linear, so I think we'll not lube today. We'll just put them in. Bit of a rough finish on the bottom of the keycap. I'm assuming it's K5 instead. Definitely. I can see all the keyboard lube already on these. Feels a bit more like rattly. A bit more sturdy maybe. It's a bit loud, that one. Now we've got something to compare it to. Sounds a bit noisy. Right, let me plug it in. It's working. Okay. Looks nice, huh? Take a little spin. Oops, banging my camera, apologies. So, green keycap spec'd, cable spec'd. We haven't put the Perspex cap on it either yet. Union Jack on it, you can have your name on it if you wanted. I took mine off because I didn't want my name on it. Caps lock light, oh my god! Which you think's weird, but I'll bring my GMK Pro around in a minute. It doesn't have one, it flashes. It's annoying. Bill price about 180 UK, 190 US, something like that. Cool. This thing weighs a ton, this GMK Pro. Like, this is full, you're from Turkey, okay. This glorious one. This is absolutely ridiculously heavy, this thing. This is full aluminium, by the way. So 400 built cost, 180. Just ordered an absolute monstrous amount of switches as well. So the RGB lighting's not as good on the GMK Pro, I'd say, in the light. This is definitely glowing a lot more, isn't it? This is a sound test then. So it's got kale browns, and it's got thick kale browns. It's got thick O-rings on it as well. Get your browns. The Xtrfi's hot swap, yeah. Both of these are hot swap. Kale browns. Build quality on this is definitely better. This is, I say, solid aluminium versus acrylic, but half the price. So it's a good entry-level custom, I would say, the Xtrfi, but just sound a little bit more hollow. This has got the aluminium base plate, not the brass or the polycarbonate, which I do have as well. Right, here we go. We're going to go full darkness. You ready? This looks pretty. This definitely glows like a beauty, but this looks better in the dark. I think this looks a bit cleaner. The GMK. This looks a bit bleedy, but you're not going to play unless you're painting pitch black. You're probably not going to notice. This seems to be better in a bit more brighter light. This looks almost. You can see it a little bit here from me, but if you're looking at it, it's very hard to see the RGB. All right, cat, what's up? Got to have something to compare it against. Come on. Oh, this is what I said about snagging. Look, already insta-snag. That Glorious one's a bit better. Have you got a cat? Got a snag already in the key? Focus, damn it. Yeah, cat snag straight off the bat is because of the material. If you got cats, man. Get off it! Brand new!